So there's a somewhat hidden feature for the Cybertruck as far as the truck bed lights go. So if you were to go to controls, as you can see, it doesn't look very obvious here, but you can actually swipe this up. And in here, you can actually turn the lights, like adjust the brightness. So if you were to sleep in the truck bed, you can actually put it like low brightness. If you have people that need like a night light or some light on while they're sleeping. And then you can turn it full brightness. The one thing with this though, if you're driving, the lights will always turn themselves off, at least with the current update. I don't know if they're gonna change that in the future. I did suggest that feature be added to, I contacted Tesla and asked them if they can do that, because sometimes if you have stuff in the back and you want to see in there and you're driving and you can't see in, or somebody's in the back and they want to check, make sure stuff's okay back there, or maybe you have a dog or something and you just want to have the tonneau cover, maybe you'll have it a little opened. There is still airflow even if it's closed, but if you had a dog and they were in there, or you were carrying something else that you might need to have the light on, I asked if they could have that feature. But yeah, you can adjust the lights. The one thing, if you lock the doors and then you turn the light on, then the lights will actually stay on. But if the doors are unlocked and then you have and then you turn the lights on and then you lock the car, the lights actually go off. So you want to make sure, depending when you want the lights on, if you want the lights on while the truck is locked, you want to actually turn the lights on after you lock the car. If you turn the lights on while the car is unlocked, then it's going to turn off once you lock the car. Okay, but again, like even like in anytime you put it into drive mode, so if I were to put this into drive, the bed lights will go off. I mean, I'm not showing a video of that, but just trust me, that's how it works. All right. Also, they have the cyber tent mode and the power outlets there. So again, I don't know, they should have like a little, maybe an arrow or something here